So we have one snail, two snail, three snail, four snails, and yeah, that's it. I couldn't find any more. But they all look the same, don't they? Every single one of them look the same. And I think snails are amazing, really. They're just so cool to watch them. Anyway, that's all I got time for today, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Did you know that the humble garden snail you see slowly gliding across your patio is actually a fascinating little creature? In the UK, the most common type is the common garden snail. These snails are surprisingly resilient. They can live up to 5 years in the wild and even longer in captivity. They're mostly active at night or during damp weather, using their muscular foot to move and leaving behind that slimy trail as a kind of lubricant to help them travel. Garden snails are hermaphrodites, meaning each one has both male and female reproductive organs. After mating, both snails can lay eggs up to 80 at a time. They also have a surprisingly strong appetite, which is why they're not always a gardener's best friend. They eat a wide range of plant material, from leaves to flowers and even bark. And although they seem slow, they're well equipped to sense their environment with tentacles that act as eyes and feelers. Snail types do vary slightly in the UK, depending on climate and habitat. While corner aspersum, the common garden snail, is widespread in the warmer southern parts of England, you might spot the white-lipped snail or the band snail, which come in a range of vibrant shell colours. Up north and in Scotland, these colourful types are less common due to cooler climate. Instead, you'll find hardier species like corpse snail, which prefers damper woodland areas. So next time you see a snail slowly making its way across your garden path, take a moment to look. There might be more to it than meets the eye. These tiny mollusks play a vital role in the ecosystem, helping to decompose dead plant material and feeding birds, beetles and even frogs. Whether you're in Cornwall or the Highlands, there's likely a unique snail species quietly going about its day, right in your own back garden.
Okay guys, thank you for watching about these garden snail facts, and I will see you in the next one. See you then. Bye-bye.